Unpacking Thoughts. The meaning of chewing on the idea. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're exploring an interesting phrase that often pops up in conversations: chewing on the idea. Have you ever heard someone say they're chewing on something, but there's no food in sight? Well, you're about to find out what they're really digesting. Stay with us as we break down this phrase, making it easy to understand and use in your daily English conversations. When someone says they're chewing on the idea, they're not talking about eating. Instead, this phrase is a metaphorical expression. To chew on something, in this context, means to think deeply or ponder over an idea or problem. Just like when you're chewing food, you take your time to break it down. When you're chewing on the idea, you're taking your time to thoroughly consider all aspects of the idea or issue at hand. The phrase, chewing on the idea, likely comes from the act of chewing food slowly, allowing for digestion. This analogy applies to the process of thinking. By spending more time on an idea, turning it over in your mind, you're able to understand it better and make more informed decisions. It emphasizes the importance of not rushing into conclusions but rather taking the necessary time to evaluate something properly. Now that we know what it means, let's put chewing on the idea into action. Here are a few examples. I need to chew on the idea a bit more before making a decision. She's been chewing on the idea of starting her own business for weeks now. We presented the proposal to the team, and they're currently chewing on it. Notice how in each case, the phrase indicates a process of careful consideration and thought. English is rich with idiomatic expressions that convey the act of thinking deeply. Here are a few similar phrases you might find useful. Mulling over something. This also means to think about something carefully and for a long time. Pondering. To ponder means to consider something deeply. Contemplating. Similar to pondering, contemplating involves looking thoughtfully for a long time at something. And there you have it, folks. The next time you hear someone say they're chewing on the idea, you'll know exactly what they mean. It's all about taking the time to digest an idea thoroughly before making a decision or forming an opinion. We hope this video has enriched your understanding of this phrase and adds a new layer to your English language skills. Remember, language learning is a journey, and every new phrase you learn is a step forward. Thanks for watching, and happy learning!